What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. Okay you guys, I am right here where we left off as promised. If you guys missed my other two videos I filmed in here, click right here for the last one. But this last one here was kind of a part one and a part two. You guys wanted to see everything in the freezer, so it took me two parts. In one video I did nothing but freezer and some new tumblers. And the second one I did the finish up on the freezer. And then I also showed a lot of drinks. But we're gonna start right here with some of these staple items. Some of these items that people have been recommending that we stock up on for our upcoming inflation, depression, or whatever you guys wanna call it. A lot of these items can live on our shelves for a really, really long time. And no, I'm not a prepper or anything like that, but I do believe in having a good supply of food in your pantry, sort of your own little mini store, even if it just saves you some trips. You know, buy it when it's cheap, save it up, organize it, grab it when you need it, and save yourself a lot of time and money. So we're gonna start here with the ramen. 5 chicken ramen, just $1. We also have beef and shrimp. Now these normally go for about, I don't know, about $2 for a 12 pack at Walmart and your local grocery store. So you're gonna be paying a little bit more by getting them here. We also have flour tortillas, 12 in a bag, and these have a pretty good shelf life. These tend to last a really long time. This doesn't expire until November 16th. So that's about a month and a half. So you have about 6 to 8 weeks on things like tortillas. Maybe a little longer if they're really fresh. Now, this is a big bag, 24 corn tortillas. Perfect for tacos. And if you've ever made tortillas or gorditas, you already know that they can take quite a bit of time if you're making a lot of them. 0 saturated fat, 100 calories per 3 tortillas. And again, these are corn tortillas. We also have jasmine rice. We have 2 pounds of long grain rice, 2 pounds of brown rice. This is long grain rice again, 2 pounds. You can't beat this price. Dollar Tree's rice prices are beating out Walmart's prices when you're comparing the 2 pound bag. We also have things that will live on our shelves for a really long time. Great northern beans. We have lentils. This is a 1 pound bag of lentils. All of these are 1 pound. We also have pinto beans. And anything else? Nope, just a little jasmine rice out of place. I want to get some of these, some brown rice. I'm actually going to get 3 today. I really like getting these 2 pound bags. You guys are probably going to get a much better price at your local grocery store for canned goods, paying anywhere from 50 cents to 69 cents a can at your local grocery store or Walmart. All of these are $1 each. But over here, with a lot of these soups, this is where a really nice value comes in. For example, these soups, I really doubt we could get these for $1 anywhere. So this is a really nice price. The Simply Chicken Noodle. I think I'm gonna grab 3 of these. We also have the Healthy Choice soups. You know, there's a few staples that I really love getting here at Dollar Tree. And you guys know how that is. Every store has their best prices for certain things. We also have some pretty big cans of black beans here, 19 ounces. Chef Boyardee chicken noodle soup by Kitchen Classics. We have tunas. These are 59 cents each. The Vienna sausages, sprinkles, mackerel, our various little chicken and or tuna salads. This is the best place to get pitted olives and also the best place to get rice. The 2 pound bag. We have elbows and we have the penne. Most of these are about 89 cents at Walmart. These are about between 99 cents and maybe $1.29. All 3 flavors are really good. There's some seasonings that I really like to get here, as well as the minced garlic. A big tub of this is gonna cost you like almost $6 at Walmart. You guys know the one over in the produce section. We have more ramen, beef and chicken flavor. $1 for salad dressing is pretty good. Sometimes we can find them a little under $1 at Walmart, as well as the mustard. This is new, steak sauce. We have our jars of mushrooms, jars of asparagus, pickles, relish. We have some golden quinoa. We have all of our teas, our granola bars, our dupe granola bars, our dupe Velvetas, our dupe Pop-Tarts. I was almost drawing a blank. Our small containers of fruit snacks. Over here we have even more instant oatmeals and cereals. Sometimes we have family-sized name brands. That's when the value is really here. This is always a great thing to get here too. Ice cream cones. Those will be disappearing pretty soon. We have egg noodles for $1. Humongous things of lemon juice. Those last forever. I couldn't tell you if that's a good deal or not, because I rarely buy a big thing of lemon juice. Soybean and extra virgin olive oils, super tiny by Pampa. This is like so cute, you guys. And one of you commented, you're like, oh, look at the mini flour and the mini sugar. So cute, isn't that cute? We also have baking powder. I'm gonna get one of these. I haven't purchased a new baking powder in a long time. I'm actually gonna get 2. I'll put it with my baking stash. Since fall is here, I like to have my stash of things. Those sorts of things that you forget about because you rarely use them. Cake mixes, these go for about 89 cents in the store. 89 cents to a little over $1. We have traditional vanilla, we have chocolate, we have yellow. The little baking cups, 90 in a pack. And then we also have the Betty Crocker buttermilk pancake mix. This is a nice price. We have some syrups, pure cane sugar. That's kind of hard as a rock, super hard. Okay, you guys, well, that's it for the food video. I think I'm gonna wrap up doing food videos and show you guys some makeup in this very next video, because we have lots of name brands here in Dollar Tree this week, like lots and lots of e.l.f. Thank you guys so much for coming along to Dollar Tree with me. I'll do my outro going down the chip aisle and let you guys know my kids loved this cinnamon churro cotton candy. It had such a nice, warm, delicious taste to it. It wasn't like a sweetly gross cinnamon. It was actually really, really good. I highly recommend it if you're into cotton candy. But anyways, you guys, and that seems to be my favorite thing to say lately. Anyways, you guys, I'm out of here and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.